She needs to take a bath again?
Yeah.
Why?
She's a little bit dirty.
She's a little bit dirty?
Yeah.
Or because it's a holiday?
Your feet. Tickle.
Don't tickle her feet. She doesn't like it. Babies don't like it. Don't do it, okay? They don't like it.
Lips up. Feet up.
Feet up.
Baby mouth come out.
What?
Baby mouth come out.
Milk is not coming out now. She didn't drink any milk. What is she doing?
Milk needs to go in her mouth. Oh, she tickled you again.
She's tickling you?
Yeah.
Or maybe she's giving you a high five.
Oh, I think so.
High five. Or is she waving at you? Is she waving at you?
Oh, high five. Auntie.
Touch her eye.
Touch my eye.
She wants to touch your eye?
Yeah.
She's very funny. Is she very funny?
She's playing. She's playing.
She's playing.
Yeah.
She's playing with you?
Yeah.
I think she likes you very much.
You think she wants to eat?
No.
I think
No.
she does.
1 more minute.
Okay. One more minute.
Flower.
There's a flower on her outfit. And you have a flower on your jeans.
Yes.
Oh no, is she picking your nose?
Oh, no. What is she doing? Oh, she is totally playing with you.
Don't put it in your mouth. What? Oh no, what is she doing? Where is she putting it in? What is she doing? Wait, let's see what she does.